Hey folks, doing another one. Cleanup after King of the Hammers. From air cleaner to inside. Dusty, dirty rocks. Rocks, dirt. So we're gonna blow this thing apart. You can write your name in here. We're gonna do some cleaning, folks. All the camera gear completely hammered. I think one of them I even dropped in the dirt. I haven't even looked in the engine bay yet. Let's see what we get. Oh yeah. I'm gonna drop the oil, adjust the valves, wash it, vacuum it, blow it out. This next week, oh wow, look at that lens. This next week is like pounding rain, so I probably won't be able to go out. So I'm thinking, rip this thing apart, finish up the paneling, take care of it so I don't have to worry about it anymore. Reorganize my shop, well, halfway. This is all the wood I have for the project. This is my motor project. I need to get my motor down to the engine shop. Here's my motor right here. I'm gonna build a 1776. This little girl came out of a $500 bug, and I'm just beating the snot out of it. I need to sew up some curtains. I need to sew up some shades. I'm getting, I don't know, claustrophobic of all these projects. I see 6 days of rain in the forecast and snow. Time to finish up the loose ends. Today, for this week, I'm just gonna wash my car, blow it out, clean it up. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna remove the cabinets. I'm plugging the fridge right now. Trash from King of the Hammers. That's why it's so heavy. It's full of stuff still. I don't know if I can pick it up. Let's try. It's a little heavy. Discover Johnson Valley. Yeah, I just use a bus floor mat. Tie down, zip ties. Coleman. Some big stuff that doesn't fit. Tools. Shovel. I need to get a bigger shovel. Tie downs. flashlight, more rags, insect repellent, funnel, alternator, money, and last but not least, the floor jack. Fridge cord with the fridge, trash with trash, cleaner with cleaner, tie downs with tie downs. It's pretty organized for how many trips I've done with it. Don't let it get too out of hand. Funnel is for gas. If I have to put gas in the bus, I have 2 gallons of gas that goes on top of the roof rack. Clean rags. Alternator up here. It's usually shorty, less clamps. Yeah, it's light. It's awkward, but light. All right, wind's starting to pick up. Okay, that's all disconnected. So I have 2 cords going over to the water tank and the battery gauge. The solar is disconnected. Do a ground strap right here. A little wing nut on that one. The other one, a wing nut. I just used the Sells flat frame for the other half of the cabinet. So, makes it strong. All right, that's loose. Still have the power cables going to this. This looks pretty good. Stove, lantern, cast iron. All right, we got one right here. This is cool. Oh, wow. That one's free. One more. This thing's a tank until you get that lithium ion battery out. Careful the ground. Okay, ground's free. There we go. battery temp hold down strap is loose. Here. Sorry, blocking your views, folks. Whew. This thing's a tank. All right, folks, what you think? All cleaned out, dust free, dirt's gone, nothing on the floor. All right, now we need to clean the air cleaner. Get this engine bay taken care of. Oh, look at this. All right, it's a two-hander. Okay, I didn't think this would be that hard. Gotta break it, right? Break it. There we go. Look at that. Still pretty clean. Let's blow it out. There you go. Little idea on how dirty she is. Nice and clean inside. All right, get a bucket of water, get that soaking. Pretty nice. Pretty nice, folks. Let's use a little Dawn soap. Some hot water, a little warm water. Let it air dry. Here's the test. It's a pretty good test. Nice and clean it is in here. I guess we gotta dry this out. All right, we put the air cleaner back on the pipe. Put a little bit of WD-40 oil. Put the old cover on, something like that. All right, you're gonna have to keep it on me. I can't hold it, and there you go. This slides back in here, feeds through. Feeds through. I put this hose back on. That goes on the end. I'm gonna put a little WD-40 on this. There it goes. Nice. If it's raining, I put in a solid plate. If it's nice, I roll this. So, next, oil change. I won't bug you with an oil change, folks. So I'm gonna end this where we're at right now. Air cleaner cleaned. Dialed in this, it's ready to go for soundproofing, some insulation. Front cleaned. Got a little drip from the Safari windows. I don't know why they leak. I wonder why. Floor's dry. That all worked out perfectly. So, motor's clean. Oil change, just the valves. Think I'm gonna start in that corner and work my way around town. Boom. All right, folks. I hope you enjoyed that one. No outing, but I gotta do maintenance, so it's either let me know in the comments, do you like this stuff, or should I just wait out and do outings only? I don't know. I feel like doing this kind of stuff, it's fun, but I feel like I'm letting you guys down. And gals, of course. But this, to me, this is part of my adventure, and I'm bringing you along. Take care, peace, and have a great day, or week, or year. Have a great day, folks. Enjoy the views.